So welcome, it's going to be fun I think. I want to go over in terms of design what we do, what we represent, who we are. The world is in motion. We design something that does its job really well. Everything that we do should be running 24 hours a day. The role of design is to visualize things that don't exist. So how can we bring a bit of life, a bit of humor, a bit of fun in our products?
The major work was made on the lower front. We kept the same headlamp with the strong signature that we have on the diesel engine, but we wanted to change the grille to make it more integrated and also body color with the rest of the truck.